What's up everyone, welcome to part 15 of developing Android application for your Android mobile phone, and now I'm going to go ahead and make our XML and Java together work, and we're going to go ahead and make it click events inside this emulator. If you click on one, it is going to display 1 to that. If I click on 2, it will display 2 to that. But just for this one, I don't think 1, 2, 3, 4 looks good, and give it like 1 run, then it is gonna say runs, and you're also runs, and also runs. Alright, so this looks good, and use an OnClick method to this one, add up. So this is selected this one and give it OnClick method, OnClick. So it is going to give you an auto suggestion. Just go ahead and hit on enter and give it like 1 run. Now comes over here, OnClick DWO to run, and give it OnClick 3 run, OnClick 4 run, okay, no spaces, OnClick 6 runs. So as I have given OnClick method to that, now next what we have to do is I'm going to go and sit inside the Java and give it a method to that. So now then use public void and see what it says. First button says 1 run, 2 run, and THREE 3 run, FOUR 4 run, and 6 run. So this is the name which I have given right over here. So I'm going to go inside here, type 1 run. So that's gonna be a method name. So it's gonna be view, and view is a type which is gonna be view. So this is actually calling this one, and it is also saying this is a view type and it is gonna be a view. That's weird, but that's what it is. View is calling another view, so just keep it as view, and display 14a, and inside right over here and add display 14a, and inside over here and give it a name, for example 5, and specifically take this and take a specific to that, give it a name, for example 1 is gonna be the value of 1, and play that one, and let's see if that works. So this is a chain motion and it's gonna come up, but we have given the value to number 1a. So our app has been loaded up, and now and test that out and see if that works. Alright, so as we have given the display team A as 5, it's gonna appear like 5, and here if you it says 0. So it is actually not looking forward to what is written inside XML, but it is looking for what is written inside a Java class. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 buttons. That's the reason I named it as 5, but it's not gonna be like that. So what if, as you can see, I had given one method to display 1 run, and click on run 1. There you see 1 run is been getting displayed inside our application. That's pretty nice. Same to same and apply it 4 times because we have 4 buttons. So I'm going to control copy. So there you see copy, control V 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, and 5 times. So there is 1 run, next is 2 run, then we have 3 run, THREE 3 run, then we have 4 run, FOUR 4 run, and then 6 SRX, and this was extras, and delete that one. So yoo-hoo. So that's pretty nice. Number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. So let's just go ahead and see if that works. It's automatically displaying number 5 as we have given the value right over here. Okay, and check that out if every button works. 1, 2 should work, 3, 4, 5, 6. So as you can see, it's running right now, and 2 runs will be 2, 3 runs will display 3, 4 run will display 4, and 6 run will display 6 to that. And play that one and let's see if that works. So if that works, you have done very great job of making actually your app as interactive. So there you can see number 5 is getting displayed automatically. So if I click on 1 run, it displays 1. If I click on 2, it displays 2, 3, 4 and 6. So that's pretty nice. Congratulations, you have done it and crossed some more depth of learning Android development, and now you have actually used Java in your own application. So congratulations for that, and I'll see you guys in the next video.